Hi children, welcome back to social science class. Last class we studied about what is a government and what are the three organs of government and what is the need for government. Today we will study which are the members of state government. Okay, so already you learned children, India is a union of various states. How many states are there in India? 28 states and 8 union territories are there. So you know these all 28 states we have state government, we have union government, we have a government at national level, and all the state we have state level government and we have a local level government. This is the three levels of government in India, and the citizens of India we will elect both government, every government elected by citizens of India. Okay, and we have the government at parliamentary level. We are electing our representative at parliamentary level, state legislative assembly and local bodies. Okay, so the state level we will elect chief ministers and council of ministers. So which are the main members of state government? Now tell me. Chief minister, council of ministers and governor. Chief minister, council of ministers and governor are the members of state government. Okay, and children, this state government, how the state government is elected? Through election, that ma'am told. So in a state, which type of election will be conducted? State legislative assembly election will be conducted. So for the purpose of election, the entire state is divided into constituencies. Constituencies means it is an area. Okay, the total number of the states are divided into areas, that is known as constituencies. So these constituencies, how many constituencies are there in Kerala? 140 constituencies are there. So in these all constituencies election will be conducted. So different states have different constituencies based on the size of the state. Constituencies may vary. Okay, so children, in this 140 constituencies I told in Kerala have 140 constituencies. So election will be conducted in these 540 constituencies. Okay, so after the election, you know, political party will be there. Then these political parties, they will give their nomination. After that election, one election day will be there. That day, we the people, adult people, they will cast their vote. After casting the vote, all the votes are counted and election will be, result will be declared. Okay, so after the election, which party get maximum seat or which party secured maximum vote, that party will be the ruling party. Okay, so that party will be the ruling party. Other parties are called opposition party. Okay, so in this way our government is formed in the state level. The government is formed in this way. Okay, so which party get majority seat? In that party's leader will be the chief minister. Okay, so this chief minister is appointed by governor. So who will appoint the chief minister? Governor. Okay, so when the chief minister is appointed, chief minister will select other council of ministers. He will select other council of ministers, and this council of ministers also appointed by governor. Okay, with the suggestion of chief minister, governor will appoint other ministers. Okay, so this is about the members of state government. So state government, the head of the state government is chief minister. Then under chief minister, many other ministers will be there. They are called council of ministers, and governor will be there. Okay, then ma'am told no members are elected in the state legislative assembly. So these members of legislative assembly, members of legislative assembly are called MLA. Okay, member of legislative assembly, MLA. Okay, so in the state legislative assembly election, who will be elected? MLAs will be elected. Members of legislative assemblies are elected. Okay, some states have members of legislative assembly and members of legislative council also there. They are called MLC, members of legislative council. Okay, MLAs are elected. Ma'am told, people will elect MLAs. MLC, members of legislative council, they are nominated by governor or they are elected in a separate electorate. Okay, our next topic, state legislature. Next topic, state legislature. Okay, two types of legislature are there: unicameral legislature, bicameral legislature. So which are the two types of state legislature? Unicameral legislature, unicameral legislature. Second one, bicameral legislature, bicameral legislature. These are the two types of legislature. Let us discuss one by one. What is unicameral legislature means? A state only has one house. A state only has one house is called unicameral legislature. Okay, so children, many states are there in India that we already learned. Some states will have only one house, that is known as unicameral legislature. Okay, so which are the two houses of legislature? One is legislative assembly, second one legislative council. Okay, legislative assembly and legislative council, these are the two houses of state legislature. Okay, legislative assembly is also known as Vidhan Sabha or lower house. It is also known as Vidhan Sabha or lower house. Vidhan Sabha or lower house. Okay, legislative council also known as Vidhan Parishad or upper house. It is also known as Vidhan Parishad. Okay, Vidhan Parishad or upper house. Okay, so these are the two houses of state legislature. Okay, so the state having two houses means legislative assembly and legislative council is known as bicameral legislature. Okay, the state has only legislative assembly, that is known as unicameral legislature. That is the difference. Okay, so what is unicameral legislature and bicameral legislature? Understood, children? State having only legislative assembly or lower house or Vidhan Sabha, that is called unicameral legislature. State have both houses means legislative assembly and legislative council or Vidhan Sabha or Vidhan Parishad or lower house or upper house. Any one we can use, children. Okay, so the state has legislative assembly and legislative council is known as bicameral legislature. Okay, so 6 states in India have bicameral legislature. How many states in India have bicameral legislature? 6 states in India have bicameral legislature. Can you tell which all are the states in India have bicameral legislature? Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so how many ma'am told, children? 6 states. Okay, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Okay, so these two states, Andhra Pradesh splitted and formed Telangana. So together study 2 states, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Second one, Karnataka and third one, Maharashtra, fourth one, Maharashtra. These 2 states you can study together. Okay, because these all are the neighboring states, Karnataka, then Maharashtra. So Karnataka, Maharashtra. Okay, then Uttar Pradesh, UP, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, that also Okay, Uttar Pradesh, then Bihar, both are nearest state. So in that way you can remember it. Okay, so how many states in India have bicameral legislature? 6 states, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. These are the 6 states having bicameral legislature in India. All other states in India have unicameral legislature. Okay, so all other states in India has unicameral legislature. Only 6 states in India has bicameral legislature. These 6 states are Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. Okay, I think children you understood. So today we mainly studied about state legislature. Okay, state legislature and which are the members of state government. I think children today's topic is clear to you. If you have any doubt, ask me. We will meet in the next class.